Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a blogger theme using ChatGPT. This is a fantastic method if you want to quickly generate a custom XML theme without having to code everything from scratch. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to head over to ChatGPT. Once you're there, you're going to enter a prompt that will help generate your theme code. Type something like generate a good blogger theme in XML into the chat box and hit enter. ChatGPT will process your request and generate the XML code for a complete blogger theme. This code includes all the styling, layout structure, and necessary elements that make up a functioning theme. Once the code appears on your screen, look for the copy code button. It's usually positioned right at the top or bottom of the code block. Click on it to copy all the generated XML code to your clipboard. This step is crucial because you need this code in an editable format to save and upload it properly. Now open a notepad on your computer. You can do this by searching for Notepad in your Start menu or Applications folder. Once Notepad is open, paste the XML code you just copied. Simply press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste it in. You should see all the XML code appear in the Notepad window. Next, we need to save this code as an XML file. Click on File at the top left corner of Notepad, then select Save As from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear where you can choose where to save your file and what to name it. In the file name field, type something like theme.xml. This naming is important because Blogger specifically looks for XML files when uploading themes. Before you click Save, make sure you change the Save As type option. By default, it might be set to text document, but you need to change it to all files. This ensures that your file is saved with the .xml extension and not as a text file. Once you've done that, click the Save button. Now it's time to head over to Blogger. Log into your Blogger account and navigate to the blog where you want to apply this new theme. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Theme. This will take you to the Theme Management area where you can customize or change your blog's appearance. Look for the Customize button, and right beside it, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click on that drop-down arrow to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Restore. This option allows you to upload a new theme file to replace your current one. After clicking Restore, you'll see an Upload option. Click on it and a file browser window will open. Navigate to the location where you saved your theme.xml file earlier. Select the file and click Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. Blogger will then upload and apply the new theme to your blog, and that's it. You've successfully created and applied a custom Blogger theme using ChatGPT. Your blog should now reflect the new design generated by the AI. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.